Have you heard of an echocardiogram? Echocardiogram is a test that uses sound waves to produce real-time images of your heart. During an echo, a small device called a transducer is placed over the chest that sends and receives sound waves. These waves bounce off your heart and create echoes. Finally, the waves create images on a screen. With these images, doctors can view the heart's size, shape, motion, and blood flow. The test will also determine how well your heart is pumping and help examine the heart's chambers. The heart's pumping is calculated in terms of ejection fraction. It is the percentage of the total amount of blood in your heart that is pumped out with each heartbeat. Echocardiogram is a quick test, takes 30 minutes to 1 hour. It is painless and convenient way to diagnose heart problems. If you want to know more about your heart health, ask your doctor if you need an echocardiogram. And, if you want to know more about your heart health, just follow a healthy info.